Fertilizers applied on time are the key to a high yield. So, today we are going to tell you about how to correctly apply Wanda LC products. Before preparing the tank mixture, you need to check the water for pH and hardness indicators. If the indicators do not meet the standards, we advise you to use Wanda Aqua Regular pH. For example, if hardness values are high and you want to soften the water, or the pH of water is alkaline, and you need to acidify the water so the pesticide is more effective, according to the description on the sticker. The first step is creating a tank mix. Fill 2/3 of the sprayer tank with water. The next step is adding magnesium sulfate. The next step is adding crystalline or liquid fertilizers, based on macro and micro elements. The last one in the tank mix will be Wanda Leaf True Cover. A sticky spreader is added for better distribution of the mixture on the plant. Protecting against washing off and evaporation is used. At this stage, the tank mixture is ready for using. It is worth knowing that all components have to be poured gradually, while the mixture is stand-on. We also recommend checking all components for compatibility beforehand. It's better to conduct spraying in the evening or morning. Avoid intense solar radiation and gusty wind. The tank mixture have to be used within 24 hours. It also has to be constantly mixed. In a tank mixture, it is recommended to use no more than 5 different products, in order not to oversaturate the solution. If you use fertigation or apply fertilizers while irrigating, the first step is to provide the plants with clean water. For example, apply 3 tons of water before applying fertilizers. Add your chosen fertilizer to the next watering and apply according to the plant norms with a concentration of 0.1 up to 0.2%. And first of all, provide the plant with clean water. At the end, for flushing system with a volume of 1 to 3 tons. May these fertilizers bring you bountiful harvests. Like and subscribe to our channel to always be aware of our agri innovations. Wanda, and the earth is proud.